My first question is, have you ever had a manager or boss whose leadership disappointed you? If so, explain what made him or her a less than effective leader. If not, describe the most effective manager or boss with whom you have ever worked. What made this person an effective leader? So at my first job I had this manager who was very passive aggressive. For example, one time I was a busser. I was wiping down the table and I was sitting down wiping, and she made some sly remark about how I shouldn't be sitting, but I wasn't really sitting. I was just trying to wipe the table down, but I was never told that was like a bad thing. But this manager was just so like annoyed about it. She could have just nicely asked for me to not do that. She just had like poor communication and just brought a lot of attitude that really didn't help anything. And a manager who my current manager, he's an example of someone who's a great leader. He listens to people very well. He's very respectful of people's times. He doesn't try to burn anybody. He's very upfront, and he's a very nice guy. And this guy is like the most chill manager. He's a great manager, but he's also not he's not lazy. He's not like too chill where he doesn't like do his job. He overall he's a great manager. And this person's very effective from how he listens to everybody. And for my second question is, consider the leadership approaches discussed thus far in this chapter. Which of these leadership approaches best fit your leadership style? Explain why the leadership approach in your answer best fits you and why some of the other approaches do not. I'd say the leadership approach that best fits me, probably, well, being quiet, and only talking when necessary. I don't want to intrude on anybody, but if I need to talk, I'll definitely talk and get my point across. I'll be more reserved and to the side, and I'll be more respectful of people's space. I'll let them work on their own, but like when the manager, I in the situation would need to talk, I would talk to them, but it would be very respectful, and I wouldn't treat people like they're like a number or something like that. And this approach best fits me because I don't I'm not gonna think of people like that. I understand an organization is full of people; it's not full of numbers. So that's why I would be like that. And also because I'm not the most talkative person, so I'm not gonna be like just talking all the time. I want to be more in the background, but if I need to talk, I will talk.